पी रहे हैं यहाँ पे, अलाउड नहीं है क्या? अभी
धन्यवाद 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 हम लोग अभी 4 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स क्रॉस कर चुके हैं। यस व्हाट्स अप, आजा जल्दी से। हाँ अरे हैप्पी बर्थडे यार, लेट अस ऑल विश अब्दुल फैसल अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
लोग कुछ करते हो लाइफ में या नहीं?
This motorcycle engine has the same number of cylinders as a Nissan GTR, a Porsche 911 and even a Merc S-Class. ये देखो! Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. Today I have with me a very special motorcycle. This is the BMW K 1600 Grand America, and even though it's not the latest model and this is a 2018 model, it's very special, and which is why I have brought it to today's episode. FYI, it's a whole 43 lakh rupees. So for starters, this has got 6 cylinders. It's actually written over here. 6 cylinders powering this mad engine. Exactly like how 6 cylinders power the Porsche 911, the Nissan GTR. The only difference really is that one is a flat 6, the next one is a V6, and this one is an inline 6. But 6 cylinders nonetheless to power a motorcycle. So for starters, what does this motorcycle get? It gets a 1600cc 6-cylinder engine. But when you look at the engine, how cool does it look, right? With that whole tilted scene going on. So it weighs a whole 367 kgs, boss. Mummy. Ah. It's got floorboards and foot pegs, just like those giant Taurus. Storage compartment by storage compartment, storage compartment, storage compartment. It's got a storage compartment with USB charging in the side. That's a whole 49-litre top case plus 37-litre side cases. Its headlamps have adaptive xenon, जिसका मतलब ये है कि जब आप lean करते हो, the headlamp will lean with you. It's got air deflectors. Let me open the second one also. कि basically rider को गर्मी ना लगे. In fact, it's got this really plush, very comfortable seat for your pillion as well for these long rides that you guys can do with handrests and a very comfortable backrest as well, and a very defined partition between rider and pillion with a lot more space for the rider for some reason and lesser space for the pillion.
Okay, enough talking. Time to ride. I'm very excited about this inline 6. I'm usually very excited about inlines. So what we do usually is we hook up our DJI Action to my helmet. But I'm wearing an open face helmet today and we have the opportunity to be able to ride and talk because of this awesome windscreen right here, which goes ups and downs. So I have to start the bike first. क्या है यार? चालू कर लो पहले. But essentially this is going to block out all that wind, and I want to see the product we get if we talk into the DJI action cam directly. So yeah. Okay, so see that? Awesome! But we want it higher up, so yeah, I think this is good enough. Let's go! Oh man! Oh man! Just beyond me कि ये आवाज इस बाइक से आ रही है. Okay, time to U-turn. And you have to be very careful when you're doing U-turns because you want to take the nice circle and the loop. Okay, so for starters, this revs up all the way to 8,500 RPM. And mind you, this is supposed to be a Toro. Let us now talk about, यार आप अगर इसके mirrors देखोगे ना, ये गाड़ी के जो mirrors हैं, they are like car mirrors. ऐसी mirrors आपको बाइक पे दिखेंगे ही नहीं. Because they've been designed that way. They've been designed to be huge and to give you like a full, proper, awesome view of what's going on behind you. Also, this gets electronic suspension. What else does it get? It gets heated grips. It gets a heated seat. I want to tell you that इसका जो quick shifter है, it is absolutely the best quick shifter I have ever felt today. I know that the POV of the action cam is up ahead, but listen to this. वो खट सुना आपने? That is how. That is literally how fast these shifts are. Now coming to इसका fuel tank. इसका जो fuel tank है, इसमें 26.5 liters बैठता है, which is a lot of fuel, which is why it's like, it's a Toro, right? It's meant to do these long distance rides with all your luggage, कि आप बस बोरिया बिस्तर बांध दो और निकल जाओ. फ्यूल का कोई टेंशन नहीं है क्योंकि फ्यूल आपने इतना भर लिया है कि your stops will be very minimal. And yeah, I mean, that's just convenience, man. That's amazing. And it also gets a radio and 4 speakers. Now, I am not one of those people who likes to have the radio or any music on when I'm riding because I feel like my 100% concentration has to be on the road and the road only, especially in India with so many road accidents and bikers involved in those road accidents. I prefer not to get into that space at all. Yes, what's up? आजा जल्दी से.
अरे हैप्पी बर्थडे यार. Let us all wish. आपका नाम क्या है? Let us all wish Abdul Faisal a very happy birthday. Chal, have a good year and all the best to you. Thank you. Take care. Okay, so from all the big tourers that I've ridden to date, I feel like this is by far the most friendliest that I have ridden. And I mean, it could be because because of my love for everything inline in life, but I just love what this motorcycle is all about. Okay, a big thanks to Swaran Paji for always trusting me with his vehicles because I've had a lot of fun with it. Honestly, that the two things that I just cannot fathom is number one, an inline six in a cruiser like this. It's two different worlds coming together, and then this becomes so fun and easy to ride. And man, that quick shifter, like honestly, this has got to be hands down the best quick shifter I have ever experienced on a motorcycle, period. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Thanks for coming. Thanks for subscribing. We are at 400k, that's 4 lakh subscribers. This is a really big deal for all of us here at Bike with Girl. And मैं हिंदी में भी बोल देती हूँ क्योंकि जो हिंदी वाले हैं बहुत गालियाँ देते हैं मेरे को. धन्यवाद. हम लोग अभी 4 लाख सब्सक्राइबर्स क्रॉस कर चुके हैं और वो सब आपकी वजह से हुआ है. सो थैंक यू एंड प्लीज डू कम बैक फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो सून. लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर. सी यू लेटर गेट. अरे भैया एक नारियल पानी दे दे यार.